Dearest soul, you are a healer. Your enemies need you to heal. You are the only one that can help them come out of the dark place. Some of them know they need you, but they are ashamed of what they did to you behind closed door. The people who were talking about you will be the same people that come to you for help. God is turning the tables. Your enemies have to pay. If they wanted you to lose your mind, they would lose their mind. The evil your enemies send your way is going back to them. Some of them will show up at your door. God will make them apologize to you. God wants you to forgive them and close the door. Do not let people destroy your beautiful heart. Type yes if you believe in God and also subscribe.